So once you insert your flash drive into your laptop, the flash drive where you downloaded the files from the biometric machine, you open your Excel booklet workbook. This is my Excel workbook. Once you open Excel, you go to files, you click on files, go to open, you click on open. So you browse. This is my flash drive. First Eagle is my flash drive. Click on your flash drive. So this is the file. Make always ensure that you all files are selected here. If all files are not selected, you will not be able to see this file. This is the file I downloaded for my biometric machine, fingerprint machine. If it is not selected, you will not be able to see that file. So now you go here, you select all files, you click on that file, open, you next, then finish. So now it brings out this is your record, attendance record for the period of time I selected on the fingerprint machine. So this first column is usually your user ID. It depends on what you use the user ID you use to save the person's user ID. That is what will come out here. From here, you will notice that some user IDs were saved with numbers and some were saved with names. So how you save people's profiles and details on the fingerprint machine determines what would come out in your report. The next column is the date and time. The date and the time that they signed in. That what shows here. Then the next is the fingerprint. Usually this report doesn't come out with this first row. I added it just for clarification purpose. Hope you understand this video and thank you for watching.